Namche is at the base of the snowy mountain at the far end. With saying that, we are about to reach Tengboche, which is our destination for today. We are at Tengboche Monastery, and these are prayer wheels from one of the oldest as well as important monastery in Everest region. We believe that spinning these prayer wheels is purifying our soul. Every spin equals the number of prayers we could spell.
Welcome to Tengboche. We are here at the altitude of 3870, and this is famous as a monastery place. And from here we can see the beautiful view of Everest, Lhotse, and Nepalgram is so near. So I will take you to the view now. The one you see in the middle, that's Everest. Actually, the one in the front is Lhotse, but it seems like the whole mountain is Everest. And that's how people are watching it. Sun setting in Everest. And you can see a top of Kangtega over there. Down here there is a glacier. And the one you see here, that's the gate of Dingboche monastery. I'll take you close up there. And this is Dingboche monastery.
Nathalie? Nós vamos indo. Eu vou lá e depois vou lá pro restaurante.
Vou pro restaurante. Quem subiu?
Hã?
Quem subiu?
Let me introduce Everest from this Everest viewpoint. Everest has three famous names: is Sagarmatha in Nepali, Chomolungma in Tibetan, and Everest by name of George Everest. Everest is the tallest mountain of the world, situated at an altitude of 29,035 feet or 8,848 meters high. However, government of Nepal just surveyed to measure the height of Everest, which is about to come by 2020. This 6 billion years old Everest is in the border of Nepal and China and can be climbed from both sides. Everest Base Camp is 8 kilometers away from the top of Everest.
Good morning from Tengboche. Now this is the morning in Tengboche. It was cloudy and we saw some sunset during last night. Now it is early morning here, like 6:30, and it's pretty clear. You can hear the helicopter from Kathmandu to rescue the people or for the mountain flights and heli tours. So this is Tengoche, and today we are going to Dingboche. There we will have 1 day rest, and Dingboche is like a medium-sized village where we will spend 1 extra night for acclimatization. And from here we cannot see Dingboche, but we can see Pangboche. So I will show you the mountains, Everest and Pangboche. This is the entrance gate of Pangboche, no, Tengboche, and this is the entrance gate of Tengboche, and just behind it, that's Kangtega and Tapsherku, and that's the glacier up there. It wasn't clear last night, and that's the stupa here, and on the left of the stupa you can see one popping out, Everest popping out behind Lhotse. The Everest is right behind Lhotse, and there's another mountain on the right just near to stupa, that's Amadablam. That is Everest over there, and all the way to the end you can see from here is where we go today. So this is the monastery, Tengboche Monastery. Namaste, Tasitale. Good morning from Tengboche Monastery. You can see monastery right behind of me. That's Tengboche Monastery, which was built more than 100 years ago. And there is a story of this monastery, like a lama named Lama Sangye Dorje was in this monastery, was in the place where the monastery was built. He was meditating in this place for many years, and you can see the footprints and handprint and backprint of Lama Sangye Dorje in this monastery, like in the entrance of this monastery. So that is from 16th century, and this monastery was rebuilt for like 3 times from fire, and 3 times from fire and earthquakes. So this monastery is used and considered as one of the holiest monastery in Everest region. It's a whole in Everest region. So a huge monastery on the way to Everest Base Camp, where you must stay one night, and in the morning and in the evening you can go and attend prayer in here. So welcome to the monastery, welcome to Dingboche, welcome to Everest, welcome to Nepal. I like these guys here, they're going to the monastery. These guys are pretty late for the prayers, because normally the prayer starts at 7 in the morning and it's already 15 past 7, so they will not be able to attend the ceremony going inside, but my clients are already inside, so they will enjoy it, I'm sure. Monastery, the location of monastery is in such a beautiful place where you can see Everest on the right, Lhotse and Amadablam, and some stupas, and Kangtega and Thamserku in here, and I will show you Numbur and mountains from Namche side. That's why this is considered as one of the best place. And if you are coming for Everest View Tour or Everest View Trekking or Everest Panorama, whatever you say, that's where you go all the way up and you see, you get closer to that point. And these are the porters, yak porters. So that's mountain on the side of Namche Kongde. And the village you see down here, that's Kumjung and Kunde. And yeah, that's the Everest View Hotel there. And that's the trail we have walked all the way. That's number Himal.
Let me introduce Mount Amadablam, a beautiful mountain in the Everest region. Meaning of Amadablam is Mother's Necklace in Nepali. The height is 6,812 meters, and climbing Amadablam is considered as more technical than climbing Everest. Amadablam has two peaks, and the one on the right is the summit of Amadablam. To climb this mountain, you need at least 15 days of climbing period. Camp 3 is interesting as it is right next to the hanging ice, and vertical climb starts right away after leaving Camp 3 to Camp 4. This spot is also famous as Yellow Tower of Amadablam. Amadablam has 2,312 meters difference in altitude from the base camp to the summit of the peak. Mount Amadablam is in the middle of the entire Khumbu region, saying that summiter will have a 360-degree view of Everest region.
Okay, we are now walking towards Dingboche from Tengboche, and the view you can see around here. We're walking on the riverside. This is Kangtega, the river down there, Amadablam, people walking. This route is like it takes you higher up, and we need to again go down. So it's like a useless. It's not useless, but it is somehow like useless walk. If you don't want to go to the monastery, it's a useless walk, I would say. But the scenery.
Pangboche village is the last original settlement of Sherpa people of Everest region. Pangboche village at 4,000 meters above the sea level is famous for mythical story of Lama Sangedorje and the existing monastery with hand and head of Eti. Mythical story explains the relationship between Eti and Lama Sangedorje. Inside the monastery, you can see the stone where Lama meditated. Lama Sangedorje used to have power to fly. Regarding the village, it has two different settlements as Upper Pangboche and Lower Pangboche. Upper Pangboche has monastery and is famous as the original village of Sherpa from Everest. Whereas Lower Pangboche lies on the trail of Everest Base Camp, some people walk through upper village of Pangboche to visit the monastery and this great view of mountain range. This section of trekking in Everest region is nice and impressive. Its trekking starts from rhododendron trees and ends at no tree line zone above 4,000 meters. The view of Amadablam changes completely crazy. The altitude tension rises and the temperature drops. You will have completely different feeling and beauty of nature will be unimaginable.
Hello! Don't you feel like you are in the moon now?
Yeah. Oh wow, that looks beautiful. Wait.
Do you want video of today?